My midterm presentation by Melanie Walling. The purpose of this project was to enable teachers to use Enrich or TestView. As teachers are able to use Enrich TestView, they will be able to make data-driven decisions to improve student achievement. We are faced with making annual, yearly progress in our school, in our district, in our state. A lot of our government funding and other things depend on that, and so teachers need to know how to use that data to improve student instruction and achievement. My timeline, the first couple of weeks, I needed to complete an assessment to determine what the teachers know about it. It took a long time to get the teachers to respond, and not everybody responded to it. I went over the results. I developed a summary of the results of that. And these past couple of weeks I have begun an outline of the tutorials and a handbook, and I have also started to gather some screenshots so that I can put them into tutorials and a handbook. And later I want to actually have a in-service to conduct a presentation of Enriched TestView and put it on the school website. And I would also like to conduct a post-assessment to find out how effective the tutorials are. I plan, prior to presenting the presentation, to get one of our teachers to go through it and see how effective it is before I present it. And then at the end I'll look at the results of the post-assessment and find out if there are any revisions that I need to make. So far, as I said, I've created my assessment and analyzed the results. I've begun the outline and gathered the screenshots for the tutorials and the handbook. And I also have reviewed 10 articles from my annotated bibliography. This is a picture of my pre-assessment. There is also a link to it. And this was the survey results. Only had 9 people that actually responded, but we are a small school, and so there were like 20 faculty and staff, and so that's about half of our staff that responded. What have I learned from this? I've learned that this project, if it is used correctly, teachers can be empowered within the school to make data-driven decisions. Our administration, the teachers, staff members can use the student data to further improving instruction and facilitating what the students need. Here's some examples of the screenshots that I've made for the tutorials and handouts. I used Jing to do this, and so I was able to draw in some arrows and type in text so that I can give detailed instructions on what to do in each spot. This is just an example of some visuals in TestView and some more instructions on what the teachers can do here. And that is my presentation.